Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I am flipping through some new items that are releasing on Friday, June 12th from Kellofaplan. So we have sticker books, some fun like seasonal items, and I'm gonna flip through everything and show you all the things that are releasing on Friday. So I will have the things linked in the description. All the items are available on Kellofaplan's website for you to preview, and then I will have my affiliate link. That'll be the link in the description is my affiliate link. So if you'd like to use that, I'd appreciate it. But yeah, in this video, I'm just gonna flip through and show you all the things. For me, I love seasonal stuff, so I'm excited to see any kind of seasonal things, new seasonal stuff in my collection. So I'm really excited for that. Also, very excited for this Muji Pens washi strips sticker book. Love seeing that. So I'm gonna save this one. Actually, maybe I'll flip through it right now because this is the only non-seasonal one. This is gonna be a great neutral sticker book. Well, by neutral, I mean it can go with any spread that you can have in your collection. And I love washi, and I've been really enjoying using washi stickers that have been in sticker books, especially when they coordinate with the stickers in the book. But this one has a lot of neutral patterns, so very nice simple patterns, and then lots of really nice colors. So we're gonna flip through this one next. Oh, actually, let me get the price point for this. So this book is $22 if you're interested in getting this book, and it is I think a 30-page? Yeah, a 30-page sticker book. Okay, so let's go over the first page. So here are different patterns. It's kind of hard to tell. This one has like really tiny little dots. Sorry, it's not gonna focus. We have a gingham pattern, some stripes, little dots here, and then you can pull up and get the little strip. Probably need to use tweezers. Okay, let's see where this is. Okay, I got it. All right, so this is how thick the strip is going to be for the washi, which actually is a really nice thin strip. I actually like the size of that. It's not too thick, but it's also not too super skinny. So you have lots of options there for your spreads, and you do get 2 of the same sheets in this red pink section. Then you have orange. The patterns are a little varied when it comes to each page. So these 4 sections are all different patterns of orange colors here. And then you have yellow. You can see the striping a little bit more on this. Like I said, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but you can see the pattern a little bit better in person. Okay, so you have the yellow sections. Okay, this one you can tell a little bit better because it's darker. We have the dots. Ooh, this really cute, really small little scallop one right there. This one's like a gingham, and this one looks a little, I don't know, like cross hatches or something. It's got a little bit of a textured pattern on that one. Okay, so these are the greens. Then we have the blues. So this one has like little, oh, these are little hearts on that one. Very small little dots on that one. Okay, then you got blue. Okay, you can see the patterns a little bit better on this one. The darker blue. Then you have purples. The purple patterns. Oh, I like the little dots on that one. Pinks. And these are all paper stickers. Then you have the black and gray tones on this one. You got the tan. And then we have little dots. I actually really like this dot pattern one. This one's fun. I like these colors too. Okay, this one is like the gingham. Okay, pastel ones. And it's all just washi stickers, so you have lots of options in this book. Okay, this one, oh, this one's kind of, again, like a textured, weathered kind of look. All right, so those are all the washi strips that are available in this book. So that is the Muji Pens washi strip sticker book. Again, it's gonna be $22 for this one. All right, now let's go into this seasonal stuff. We actually have something, we could actually put a planner together. I think that's, yeah, we can put a planner together. Okay, so let's go over covers first. This pack of covers. So this is a set of 4 seasonal covers. If you're like me, you like doing seasonal stuff. And I love to change up my planner, the covers, and all that kind of stuff, depending on the season. So I like having seasonal items to do that with. So here we have covers, a set of 4. Here are the autumn section. We got some orange stripes. And you got all the fall, autumn items on the back. It says autumn is my favorite. Love autumn. Okay, then we have spring. Spring is another good one, and I love the pink on that one. All the little spring images on the top. The really pretty pink stripes. You could always, if you wanted to, just have a pink, like a simple planner cover, you could always use this as the planner cover. It's a nice clean cover right here. There's actually no logo or anything on them, so I actually like that because then you can choose to use this however you would want. That's good. You have options. And then here's the back with all the spring artwork. Okay, summer. Actually, I'm not a fan. Summer's my least favorite season, but I actually really like this one. I love the like light orangey color. Okay, so summer is my favorite. And then you got the stripes. Yeah, I like that color of the stripes. And then all the summer things on the back. And then we have winter. Love winter, California winter at least. And then we have all the winter stuff on the top. And then the pretty blue stripes. And then the back. Okay, so you get 4. Again, you could change them out to have just your favorite season, or you can change them. I mean, I would use them to change out during the seasons. But yeah, these are the covers. And oh, and this is a classic size. These are $29 for this set. All right, next to go with the planner, which we're gonna put together, we have the Celebrate Seasons 12-month divider pack here. Okay, so this you can use if you want to set up a planner, a holiday planning planner, or you can use this in your planner. You can use, if you want, again, more seasonal items, seasonal dividers, you could use these. If you have a Kellofaplan planner, then you have it set up, at least with Heather's planners, where there's nothing on the dividers, on the back of the dividers, so these can be reused. And if you have one of her planners, you could easily swap these in and out of the planner and make it very custom, since you don't have to worry about, you know, the monthly on the back like in other planners. Okay, so let's go over the dividers. We have January, which has the New Year's theme all over it. And then we have February, so Valentine's. The same on the back. March, we have spring, all the spring vibes. And then April, Easter. Then May, you have some summery beach stuff here. I really like the color scheme of this. That's why I like the cover, because I like the tan, orangey tan color and all these pinks and blues. June, you have a mix of stuff here, of celebrating kind of stuff here. Okay, so June. And then July. Oh yeah, I think this is Juneteenth and barbecues. Yeah, that's what that is. And then we have 4th of July on this one. Oh, August is cute with the bees. Oh, the bees are super cute. The queen, adorable. Okay, then we're getting to the fall stuff. So we have September, all the cozy vibes. Love a Halloween anything. So love October, all the little kids in their costumes, super adorable. Then we have November, very cutesy, with the faces on the fruits, or the vegetables and fruits and what, pumpkins, squash, that kind of stuff. And then December, Christmas. All the Christmas vibes on that one. Okay, so those are the dividers. So the dividers are $15 flat. So these are $15 if you want to pick up the divider sets. Okay, and then the last thing in this release, actually that's not true. There is one other thing in this release, but I didn't receive it. It is a Kindle cover set. It's a bundle. So if you have a Kindle and you want seasonal covers, that's available on Kellofaplan's website, so definitely check that out so you can see those. They're really cute. Same artwork, I think, of these. Yeah, they look like the same artwork as some of the seasonal dividers. Okay, so we have this extension pack here. So this is a holiday planning extension pack. It has 6 holidays and it's classic size. So let's flip through this next. Oh, this one is $19.99, so $20 for this extension. All right, so we have time to celebrate. We are celebrating, and then you have a place to put date of celebration, location, time. What do you want this celebration to feel like? Guest list, traditions we want to continue, new things we want to try, decorations, and other info, things we need to plan. So Heather's very thorough in how she maps out these sheets. So she kind of has all your bases covered for what you would need when it comes to, especially in this instance, planning for holidays. So we have celebration plans, schedule, where you can write in the times and the schedule on the side, breakfast, lunch, dinner plans. You have a little checklist here and then an empty spot here. So we have holiday event tracker, event location, date, time, our family's holiday traditions, and you have some sections to fill those in. Holiday meal planner, breakfast meal, lunch meal, and dinner meal plan, where you can plan out appetizers, entrees, sides, desserts, and drinks. Grocery list here and sectioned off. I love when I use Heather's grocery shopping list. They're always super handy because she has them sectioned out in the sections of the store: produce, meats, bakery, dry, pantry, dairy, frozen, and other. So it kind of helps you to, stay in that section and get everything you need from that section. We have recipe sheets here. So holiday recipe 4. You have all the sections to write ingredients, directions. You can put a little picture right here once you're done, or you can, screenshot a picture you see online and write all the info there. I love using these sheets for my favorite meals, so that way I'm not constantly going into my phone, because I don't want to be handling my phone when I'm cooking. And so these make it so much easier to have it on paper. I'm more of a pen and paper person, so having my recipes, once I love them, I'll put them on these sheets. Okay, so you get 3 of those there. Decorating plan, so you have the room, inspiration, and decor. So you have lots of areas for decorating plans there. Oh, front and back of those. Holiday craft, so if you want to do like a craft for the holidays. Project title, craft descriptions, other details, materials that you need and how many cost, sketch of the craft, action plan, and your notes. Like I said, it's very thorough, so you have all your bases covered. You have another section here for another craft, and then you have memory pages where you can print out photos. It has the size there of the photo that fits here, and then you can journal on these pages. Okay, so that looks like that's one holiday section here, and then it will repeat after that. So you have one, it'll be the same thing, and then it'll go to the next one. Okay, so you should have 6 holidays, so 6 of these sections in this little extension pack here. Okay, so those are all the items that are releasing. I'm gonna actually let's put together a planner. Again, don't forget about the sticker book that is coming out too. So let me get some discs, and then I can put together the planner. Let's make a holiday planning planner with this set here. And then I will, since we're in summer, I will use summer. Even though it's not my favorite holiday, but holiday, keep calling it holiday. It's not my favorite season. I do like this look though. All right, so I have some discs here. I'm just gonna I figured white would be nice, and I had a Kellofaplan planner that I was able to pull these from. So we're just gonna stick some white discs on here. Like it fits the vibe of this cover. Okay. All right, so I want to set up, what are we in? We're in June. There's no holidays in June that I need to plan for. July. Okay, we'll do a July. We'll do a July. I'm just going to get a July section from here. Now, I'm just going to use it this way, but you could totally, like I said, put it in your planner, use all the dividers, but we're going to put July since I'm pretty sure we're doing something for, we'll probably, you know, go see the fireworks or something, hang out with family, that kind of thing. I do have a 3-day week. No, I have a 3-day weekend. I think I have a 3-day weekend, 4-day weekend. I don't know. I have a good amount of time off to do some things, to plan some things. Okay, and then what's the next holiday? August. No, we have birthdays in August, September. Okay, October. October, November, December. We'll do those. So I'm only using the months where I have something going on when it comes to a holiday. Okay, and I'm going to put the sections in here from this set here. Okay, so this will be October because of course we have Halloween, and I love decorating for Halloween. And there's a sheet here for decorating, right? There was a decorating sheet. Yeah, this one, decorating. Okay, so we got October, and then we have November. So Thanksgiving, for sure, lots of things to plan for that. The last 2 years I've cooked a turkey, so probably we'll be doing the same this year. And then, of course, December for Christmas. Get these sheets here. Okay. All right, and then let's do January because that is the new year. Honestly, those are really the only holidays that I really do. Okay, so that would be it for me when it comes to needing a planner for holidays. So we have July, then October, November, December, and January. Okay, I could put in Easter actually. Easter, we do stuff on Easter. Actually, that would be the full holiday stuff for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that would be 6 holidays. I don't really do Valentine's Day, so it's fine. Okay, at least I use all the 6 are in the book. All right, so that would be the holiday planner. And again, if you don't like the summer on the front, you can always switch it over if you just like the stripes, which, like I said, I do like the orangey kind of stripe there. I think that's cute. You can keep that on the back too if you want to make it a little bit more fun on the back. I like that I'm able to have options like that since it's all usable. Like if I wanted this to be the cover, no, I couldn't because then that would be upside down. But like I said, you can use the stripes as a cover instead. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this video. Quick little video, a little flip through of all the things. Again, if you're interested in any of this stuff, it is gonna be available on the 12th of June. And my link will be down in the description. You can view all the things right now on the site if you want to look at the stuff yourself, because there is one item that is listed on there that I don't have, so you can check that out if you like the seasonal themes in this collection. You might like that if you have a Kindle. But that's gonna be it. Link for ordering, for purchasing is in the description. Hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.